The partnership with Acuity Brands is one which brings technical knowledge from Hort Americas, a lot of market experience with Hort Americas in terms of focus on the commercial horticulture industry, as well as big manufacturing prowess from Acuity. Acuity is the largest LED lighting manufacturer in North America, and that scale allows us to compete on a global basis in a more highly competitive horticulture industry than what we had 10 years ago.
One of the big benefits to producing lights in our own factories at Acuity Brands in North America is really the speed and reliability in which we can service customer opportunities. When it's here in North America, we don't have to battle some of the unknowns in shipping product across the ocean and some of the dynamics that can occur there. But it also allows really close communication and connectivity with our factories, also due to the proximity. And so we can stay plugged in and ensure high levels of control and consistency.
My hope for the partnership with Hort Americas and Acuity is that we're going to continue to focus on sustainability. As the industry has developed, a lot of people have just focused on price, reduction in cost, and they're losing track of some of what has made food production in commercial greenhouses interesting to the broader public. Sustainability continues to be important for Hort Americas, and we're going to continue to focus on fixtures that last a long time, that have a life cycle plan, meaning once we're done with them, we know how to dispose of them correctly, so we're not adding to the landfill. And we continue to push lights that operate energy efficiently.
As we think about how this industry progresses into data, we have the ability to really do a lot of interesting things in collecting data, and even going so far is thinking about innovations like tracking people and plants and things around the space using our wireless controls.